Hi guys, it's Michelle and I am here very quickly to do a bit of a wig review for you. Super excited about this. So John Renau have expanded their Smart Lace Human Hair collection, and these 3 new styles that they've introduced for 2024 I am so excited about. So to start off, this one that I'm wearing just now, this is called Charlotte by John Renau. She is absolutely gorgeous. Now from the front kind of bangs area, we have 12 inches of length. We have 12 inches from the crown. From the sides we have 11.25 inches and the nape is 8.25 inches long. I will quickly turn around and show you this style. She is so beautiful. Now I'm wearing the shade 24BT18s8, which is shaded Mocha. Now I absolutely adore this shade. It's very much kind of between blonde, is it dark blonde, is it light brown, that kind of bronze, and with roots on it. I do absolutely adore this style. Now this is 100% Chinese Remy human hair, which in all honesty is my total favourite. I adore Chinese hair. Basically, just to let you guys know, I washed this and then I just used my hairdryer to kind of blow dry it to style. So I've not used flat irons, I've not used straighteners, and you can see that, you know, it's not got the wavy texture that you can often get with a lot of wigs that have maybe got some Indian hair in them. This is very much straight. It is so gorgeous and I just adore it. It's lovely. Now let's talk about cap. It's an average size of cap, so John Renau average, and it is fully hand tied. So let me show you the inside here. We have the welded monofilament top here and lace fronts, which you guys can see here, and that is your smart lace, your welded lace mono here. Now sides and back 100% hand tied as well. Now down this section we have the John Renau 360-degree stretch to that, and at the back hand side we have these velcro adjusters at the nape. Now they're really great for tightening up the circumference of the wig, which I've done because this is average and I'm more of a petite, so it's really beautiful. And we have that extended nape. We have the metal stays to allow you to kind of bend it and make it conform more to the shape of your own head. So it is really beautiful. I do really love this Charlotte, and I love this shade that I have chosen. The shaded Mocha is really a shade that I just absolutely adore. One thing I would say, if you are going for a wig that is 100% Chinese Remy hair, the colours can come up slightly warmer than they would in maybe a mixed wig, or a wig that was all Indian Remy or European Remy. But again, for me, I don't really have an issue with that because John Renau do have their in-tone violet shampoo. So if I want to kind of cool this a little, I can just use my violet shampoo just to kind of take a slight bit of the warmth off of it. But to be honest, I don't see me actually doing that because I really adore this. It is so beautiful, really gorgeous, and I'm really excited for this launch. So thank you to John Renau. Absolutely beautiful hair as always. And yeah guys, this is Charlotte from John Renau. She is so beautiful, and yeah, I think everyone's going to absolutely love her. Thanks guys for tuning in. See you all very soon with another wig review. Mwah.